So the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5's price have leaked. Now this leak is coming in from the fact that the phone in India's price has leaked. So we don't exactly know the price in America, but if you do the, conversion, you can get the price. It's just keep in mind whenever you convert currencies, it doesn't always equal out correctly. So, for example, according to this article by the techoutlook.com, they say that the Z Flip 5's price tag will be is that 100,000 Rs, which is actually the Indian rupee, which if we do the conversion according to Google and we put in 100,000, so let's do that, it equals to $1,222. Now that's the top end model. So that's the 256 gigabyte model, the 128 gigabyte model, and I believe it, depending on iterations, obviously they start at 256 and 512. We'll have to wait and see what Samsung does. But that model is going to start at $1,222, while the other version is going to be, bam, $1,161. So it's going to start at $1,161, which, Samsung doesn't usually price it like that. So what's going to mean is it's going to be $11.99. Usually that's how they do it, like $11.99, $12.99, $17.99, $18.99. So probably around $11.99, which I believe is $100 more than last year. So that's interesting. Now that's the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Now for the Fold series, this is going to be starting at 143,500 Indian rupees, which translates to around 1753. So probably around $17.99 is where we're going to see this price tag settle at. And the second one this is for the second iteration, so again, the higher storage option, is 1833, which will probably settle at 1899. So kind of what we expect, $100 more for double the storage. Just typical Samsung. So in all honesty, my guess is the rumors that this phone is going to be $100 more than last year, probably not true. Well, at least for America. For the UK, we know there is going to be a $100 increase for these phones, but for America, it's probably not going to happen. So if you are buying this phone, you probably expect the same exact price tag as last year, which to be honest, with how similar they are to last year, that makes perfect sense. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.